Hi there, students. Give the devil his due. This is a good idiom, to give the devil his due. This means to acknowledge that somebody you don't like, somebody who's maybe evil or rather unpleasant, is successful or that they have good qualities. So, for example, you may or may not like Mr. Putin, but give the devil his due. He's very good at manipulating public opinion. He's an expert at it. So you have to give the devil his due. Yeah? So you have to acknowledge the good qualities of somebody. So I don't know. I'm not a great fan of Boris Johnson, but give the devil his due. He's good at organizing a party. So this is when you admit that somebody you don't like or somebody you don't admire has good qualities. Let's see. I really don't like the man, but give the devil his due. His work is very good quality. He's a really rather unpleasant character, but you have to give the devil his due. Yeah. So you're acknowledging something good or a good quality in someone who is otherwise thought of very unfavorably. Okay. Let's see. The idea of this is the devil. This is the person you criticize, a person you don't like, and his due, what is appropriate, what is reasonable. Yeah. I don't know. When it comes to cooking, the things that he makes are normally really awful, but you must give the devil his due. He's very good at making cakes. Yeah, so effectively you're giving credit to someone that is rather disagreeable. Yeah, I really don't like this new boss, but give the devil his due. Sales have improved. Sales have got better. Okay, so to give the devil his due, acknowledge the positive qualities of somebody rather unpleasant. Okay, let's see, formality. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could use this in a semi-formal writing, but probably no more. And then as to origin, well, give the devil somebody you don't like, his due, what is appropriate, what is fair, what is reasonable. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Give the devil his due.